When it comes to upgrading your home, one of the most impactful decisions you can make is investing in new windows and doors. These elements not only enhance the aesthetics and energy efficiency of your home but also play a crucial role in its security and comfort. While there are many options available in the market, Pasadena homeowners increasingly turn to local experts for their window and door installation needs. Why? Local professionals offer a unique blend of personalized service, deep knowledge of the local climate, and a reputation built on community trust. In this article, we'll explore the key reasons why Pasadena homeowners consistently trust local experts for their window and door installations and how these professionals provide distinct advantages over larger, non-local companies. In-depth knowledge of local climate. One of the main reasons Pasadena homeowners choose local experts is their knowledge of the local climate. Pasadena's mild winters and hot summers require specific types of windows and doors to maintain comfort and energy efficiency in the home. Local experts understand the unique weather patterns and can recommend the best materials, insulation options, and designs for optimal performance. Energy efficiency. With Pasadena's hot summers, homeowners need energy-efficient windows and doors that can help keep their homes cool while minimizing air conditioning costs. Local professionals are familiar with the latest energy-efficient technologies, including double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, which are crucial in combating heat and reducing energy bills. Tailored recommendations. Local experts are attuned to the specific needs of Pasadena homes. They understand how the coastal climate and occasional rain affect the durability of materials and can offer windows and doors that are designed to withstand these elements. Personalized customer service. When you choose a local expert for your window and door installations, you're not just another number in a long list of clients. Local businesses prioritize personalized customer service, ensuring that your specific needs and preferences are met every step of the way. Individual attention. Local experts take the time to get to know their clients, offering custom solutions that fit each home's unique style and needs. Whether you're looking for modern fiberglass doors or classic wooden windows, local professionals can guide you through a range of options that best suit your tastes and budget. Responsive and available. Unlike larger, national companies, local experts are more accessible and responsive to customer inquiries. If you need a follow-up or have concerns during the installation process, you'll have direct access to the team handling your project, ensuring a more efficient and stress-free experience. Skilled and experienced installers. Local window and door installation companies in Pasadena tend to employ highly skilled and experienced professionals who are experts in their craft. These experts have installed a wide variety of windows and doors in local homes and understand the best practices for each type of installation. Expert installation. Proper installation is critical to ensuring that your new windows and doors perform at their best. Local experts know how to handle the specific challenges of Pasadena homes, from ensuring proper insulation to ensuring a tight, secure fit that enhances your home's energy efficiency. Avoiding mistakes. Window and door installations require precision. Mistakes during installation can lead to poor performance, like air leaks, condensation problems, or even security risks. Local professionals have the expertise to get the job done right the first time, ensuring that your windows and doors function as intended for years to come. Strong reputation and trustworthiness. When it comes to home improvements, reputation is everything. Local window and door experts have a strong presence in the Pasadena community and rely on word-of-mouth referrals and repeat business. This gives homeowners peace of mind knowing they are working with a trustworthy and reliable company. Community trust. Local experts are invested in their communities and rely on their reputation to grow their business. They have strong relationships with local suppliers, builders, and homeowners, which means they have a vested interest in providing high-quality work and ensuring customer satisfaction. Testimonials and reviews. Since local companies serve the community, you can easily access customer testimonials and reviews from friends, neighbors, or local online platforms. These reviews give you insight into the quality of service, reliability, and craftsmanship you can expect from local installers. Knowledge of local building codes and regulation. Every city has its own set of building codes and regulations that need to be followed during window and door installation. Local experts are well versed in Pasadena's specific requirements, ensuring that your installation is fully compliant with local laws and building codes. Compliance with local codes. Local installers are familiar with the codes and regulations that apply to your home's location. They know what materials, sizes, and installation techniques are permissible, which helps you avoid fines or costly modifications down the line. Permitting and inspections. In some cases, window and door installation may require permits or inspections. Local professionals can help navigate this process and ensure that everything is done according to city standards, ensuring peace of mind for homeowners. Long-term support and warranty. Local experts often provide comprehensive warranties and offer continued support after the installation is complete. Unlike large, national companies, local professionals are committed to standing by their work and helping with any issues that may arise down the line. Reliable warranty. Most local window and door companies offer warranties on both the products and installation. This provides homeowners with assurance that if any issues occur after installation, they'll receive timely repairs or replacements without hassle. Ongoing support. If you have questions or concerns in the future, local experts are just a phone call away. They value their relationship with their customers and are more likely to provide the ongoing support you need, whether it's for maintenance, upgrades, or repairs. Conclusion. For Pasadena homeowners, choosing local experts for window and door installations offers a range of benefits that go beyond just the technical aspects of the job. From their deep knowledge of local climate conditions and building codes to their commitment to providing personalized service and high-quality workmanship, local professionals ensure that your home improvement project is completed to the highest standards. When you choose a local expert, you're not only supporting a community business but also ensuring that your window and door installations are done right, providing long-lasting value, comfort, and security for your home.